Let's read this book together. You will read these words in this book.
Germs. Germs are like little bugs that can make us ill, hurt. Hurt is a word to tell about pain. Sneeze. A sneeze is a burst of moist air that comes from your mouth. Ill. Ill means to be sick. Breeze. Breeze means a slow wind. Stir. Stir means to mix. Clean. Clean means free from dirt.
Say them with me.
Germs. Hurt. Sneeze. Ill. Breeze. Stir. Clean.
A Big Sneeze. Written by Mei Ling. Illustrated by Anthony Coffey. Claire does not feel well. She gives a big sneeze. She wipes her red nose. My nose hurts, Claire moans. Mom sits on the bed. She sets her hand on Claire's face. Germs can make you ill, Mom tells Claire. You will get well, she adds. Germs? What are germs? asks Claire. Mom tells her a germ is a bug that makes us feel ill. Where are germs? asks Claire. Germs get inside of us. They come and go from place to place, Mom tells Claire. They could be on the clock, she adds. Claire gives a big sneeze. There are a lot of germs in a sneeze, Mom adds. Claire wipes her red nose. I do not see a lot of germs, she tells Mom. You cannot see germs. They are sly. Germs stir in the breeze when you sneeze, Mom tells Claire. What will stop germs, she asks. Germs do not like soap. You must keep your hands clean, Mom adds. Claire gives a big sneeze. She runs to the sink. I need to clean my hands with soap, yells Claire. The end.